We got the power. We got the power. Let's start a revolution.
It's on. The game will be quite fierce and unpredictable. You never know what will happen today. Let's have a look at the lineup for both teams. The match has begun. Knocks it towards to the front. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Shot. Needs some improvement on shot accuracy. Sending it deep. A very timely interception. Good play, one-on-one. The shot was outrageous. Launching it long. Through ball. Away from immediate danger. Pinpoint pass. Threaded through. Pretty comfortable piece of defending. Quarter of the half gone. Both teams showing positive intent. Chances on. Poor decision making. Oh, that would have been a great start to the game, but that's a bad miss. Trying to find the target man. Pushing it forward. Beautiful footwork. A through ball attempt. The ball is out of bound. Knocks it towards to the front. Through ball. Threaded through. A great save. Real class. Great ball. Through ball. Nice through ball. Play it long. Goal! There goes the ball. Keeping possession nicely. A through ball attempt. Tried a through ball. Poor decision making. Crossing in from the corner. Credit to them for winning back possession over the byline, hence a goal kick. It's worth a try anyway. Play short to the back. Square pass. Pushing it forward. An entertaining first half. Both teams were quite aggressive in the game. So the second half is underway now. Square pass. Well-timed tackle. Square pass. Oh, they lose possession now. Nice through ball. Threaded through. Corner kick. Let's see if they can put this to good use as they try to add to the advantage. Tried a through ball. With this game level, let's see what they can do with this corner. Driving it into the box. It's gone behind for the corner. Just missed a golden opportunity. Looking to find space. Through ball. Whipping it into the danger zone. Strikes it in the box. Oh dear, looks like the shooter left shooting boots behind. Building from the back. Beautiful through ball. Good ball movement and a decent position here. It's in! Plenty of power on that! Glorious goal! Again! A very timely interception. Nice through ball. Ball is out of line. Corner kick. Nice block. Reads the play beautifully. Driving it into the box. Denied by the keeper. Impressive. A half-made clearance. It's in! Plenty of power on that. Goalkeeper relatively untroubled. A very timely interception. Seeking out a passing lane. Well-timed tackle. A throw-in it's going to be. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Beautiful through ball. A chance! He scored! There goes the ball. Threaded through. Oh, they lose possession now. Crossing in from the corner. Nice block. Pressure forced the error. Driving it into the box. That's a goal kick. Looking to keep possession. Tried a through ball. Beautiful through ball. The referee says that is all for today. The strongest team won the game. Let's congratulate them.